Conditional field requirement with DjangoRestFramework serializer. I have these nested serializers in DjangoRestFramework too. In my APIView booking APIView, I'm calling a booking serializer. I would like to make credit card fields mandatory or not, according to a backend method that returns true or false. How can I do this? Thanks.
You can modify the fields in the __and __ method of booking serializer. After initialization, the fields are accessible in self.fields.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.